Today I'm going to show you the basics of Lightroom. First thing I like to do is get a project folder started, and I created a tutorial project. In that project folder I gathered some Nikon electronic formats, NEFs, raw files from my Jamaica trip, and they are over here. So the second thing we're going to do is create a catalog. Now I had deleted the last catalog so it can't be found. This is the way it would be for the first time. Normally it will load up your last catalog, whatever you were working on last. So I'm going to choose a different catalog, and I'm going to tell it to create a new catalog, and I'm going to call that catalog JM-Lightroom, Jamaica Lightroom. And it's going into the folder. It's automatically going in there, the tutorial folder, and it'll put it right in there. First thing you notice is it starts out on the develop mode. You think they would fix that, but okay, so you go to library, and you hit the import button down here at the bottom left, and that will bring up this dialog. And you'll see here it's already on the Lightroom tutorial from when I tried it before. If you click on that, you'll find out, okay, I can create one from any of these folders. I can import files. So we're going to work with the tutorial folder. Now if I click it there, it's going to take in everything including the NEFs, but I just wanted to bring in the NEFs, although there's nothing else in there at this point, but there will be later. So once we select all of them, by the way, you can deselect some or just go through and select a couple of them. I prefer to load my folder with all the photos, and then it will automatically check all of them. Let's hit import. Now they are in. Now you need to go to the develop tab up here. Now that you're in the develop tab, you make adjustments in your photos and decide what they should look like. For instance, this one is a little bit bright. This one's okay. And bring up the highlights in there, and bring down the highlights, bring up the shadows. A little too much, give it some contrast. Go to this one. Okay. Now that we've done all that, we're ready to export. Go to Edit, select all. By the way, you can select single images and export those out. But we're going to export the whole batch. And I'm going to export. You get this dialog. You can choose the same folder as the original photo. You can, which would put it in the NEF folder, and then you could put it in a subfolder under that, and that would default to that every time. I prefer to use a specific folder. Then I like to go choose that folder, and I'm going to name that folder Exports Jamaica, and it puts it in that project folder. Choose. So you see here the dialog tells you where it's going to go, and yeah, that's the folder. undo that and pick that one. So now we hit the export button, and you'll see up here this will start exporting. We're going to take a look at this. You see they start building here. They're coming out of here, and as they build, the thumbnail develops. And when this gets up here, they'll be all exported. If you have 700 of them, you'll go to lunch or something, or catch them the next morning. Okay, that's pretty much done. You see that disappeared to tell me that it's finished. And that's how you get photos in and out of Lightroom. Next tutorial, I'll show you how to use some of this a little more.